Hi, to find your phone number and physical SIM ICCID number on iPhone 16e. First thing first, on your home screen you need to find and open Settings, and then scroll all the way down to choose this last tab Apps. So in here you can either scroll through the list or use search bar, but still you need to find Phone app. Go in its settings, and now you can actually check your phone number if you forgot it by clicking right here. Now let's use this back arrow to save changes, and to find your ICCID number you need to go back in main settings, choose General tab, and then find About section. Now start scrolling down, and in Physical SIM category, you should see this section ICCID and this long number. So you can press and hold it and copy. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.